Hi guys, it's Yusi here again, and today's flash video will be on how to use your smartphone as a webcam for your PC. Now to do this, we'll be needing an app called DroidCam. DroidCam is an application that allows you to connect your smartphone's camera to your PC, and this can be done through a wireless connection or through a USB cable. DroidCam is available on both the Android and iOS platform, which means you can download it on both the App Store and the Google Play Store. To download on your PC, you'll need to log into dev47apps.com. Now when the site opens, scroll down to the bottom and choose either Windows or Linux, depending on the operating system your laptop uses. Once you click on either of them, click on DroidCam Client Download. Once the download is done, click on Install and install into your PC. Like I mentioned earlier, there are two ways to do this. First is through a wireless connection, and the second is through a USB cable. Now when you launch the app on your phone, you should see something like this or something like this, depending on the phone you use. And on your PC, you should be seeing something like this. Now to create a wireless connection, you have to make sure that both your smartphone and your PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi router, or you can simply connect your PC to your smartphone's hotspot. Once that is done, simply type in the Wi-Fi IP and DroidCam port given on your smartphone into your PC. Make sure that they both are exactly the same thing. Next, click on the Start button. If you followed all the steps correctly, then your connection should be successful. Creating a connection using a USB cable varies depending on the type of phone you use. If you're using an iPhone for this, first you have to download iTunes and install it on your PC. When that is done, open the DroidCam app on both your smartphone and your PC, then click on the USB icon, refresh the page, then click on Start. If you're using an Android phone for this, you need to do a little work. First, head over to your settings and click on About Phone. Once that is done, click on Build Number. If you're already a developer, you'll see a message like this, but if not, click on Build Number 7 times. Then, head over to your system settings, click on Advanced, and click on Developer Options. Then, you have to scroll down to USB Debugging. Turn it on and click on OK. Once you're done with that, open the DroidCam app on both your smartphone and your PC. Then click on the USB button, then click on Start. If you followed all the steps correctly, then you should have a successful connection. Well, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.